Well, NASA engineers really haven't had a lot to cheer about since the final space shuttle launch nearly a year ago.
But this morning, America's space program took center stage with the landing of the most advanced Mars rover. And
10 on your side's Art Kahn talked to engineers at NASA Langley Research Center who designed key components of Curiosity.
Touchdown confirmed. We're safe on Mars.
The control room at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory in California looked a little like Times Square on New Year's Eve this morning when they learned the rover was safely down on the surface of Mars.
Everybody's just thrilled that it went as well as it did.
Rob Wyman is Director of Communications at the NASA Langley Research Center in Hampton, where engineers have worked for more than a decade on some key systems and components for Curiosity, the most advanced Mars rover ever built. 10 years of work hung in the balance last night for what has been called the 7 minutes of terror.
Once the spacecraft enters the Martian atmosphere, it takes 7 minutes to slow it down from 13,000 miles per hour and gently land it on the surface at almost zero.
During that descent, a system of instruments called Medley was at work gathering some critical measurements. NASA Langley engineer Michelle Muck is the deputy director for that project.
And it measures the temperature and the pressure on the aeroshell as MSL flies through the Martian atmosphere.
That information was stored on the rover and is already being received back on Earth. Information that is a lot more important than you might think.
Medley is definitely an historical set of data. These are the modeling paths that we need to take forward in designing future landers and the ones that will eventually take humans to Mars.
The key to getting a human to Mars is for us to be able to carry more mass, and this is that real first step.
The footprints leading to that step can be found in Hampton, Virginia. Art Kahn, 10 on your side.
Could be up to 2 weeks before all systems tests are done and the rover begins its journey across the red planet.
Quite a spectacular landing. Go to wavy.com and check out our special coverage of the Mars rover landing.
And to view a photo slideshow, learn more about the mission, click on the National News tab.